If you've ever got a cast as a kid, that's what this stuff looks like. But I've already got it clean. I'm about to take it out, wrap it. It says to use the whole thing, which kind of sucks because this thing was $20. But after I'm done, I'm supposed to wrap this around it as if this is supposed to do anything, but we'll see. Trying to wrap it around this transmission and the drive shaft is not going to be fun because it says to use the whole roll, like I said. It says to do 20 minutes with heat or wait 2 hours in the cold. I left this thing on it for a little bit. We're rock hard. Let's see how she is. Let's start it though. I'm a little skeptical.